Hello, my name is Seth and I am here today to talk to you guys about Super Hairpiece's brand new hair system, the M101V. Now let's get right into it. This hair system is the perfect middle of the line hair system. So it's going to have 6 mils of thickness on the base. It's going to be a full poly base. The hair is going to be V-looped and the base size is going to be 8 by 10. There is going to be 110% of density in the front and 100% throughout. Of course, the highest quality pure Indian Remy hair. So when I first got the M101V in the mail, I was a little skeptical of it because I had the M101 before it. And that, to me, was the perfect hair system. That was until I tried the M101V. I got it, I brought it into my stylist and she got it all cut and styled for me, and this is what it looks like. So when I first went out to look for a hair system, this is exactly the style that I had in mind. And I don't have to worry about the hair falling out if I use products or if I wash it frequently. And no matter what, I don't have to be scared or nervous because I know that Super Hairpieces has a super great customer service team. It's available 24/7 via their website. The base is thick enough so that you don't have to worry about wear and tear, but it's thin enough so that it isn't detectable on the head. If you want a hairpiece that will be undetectable, I would definitely recommend the M101V. I have found the attachment method that works for me and I stick with that. I do it every day, and the M101V works really well with that. It really gives itself to being flexible when it comes to styling. I've never had hair like this before. My hair has always been thin, and now I can live each day confident in myself and my look and what I can achieve because my hair looks great.